Wink vs AirVid Video Enhancer app comparison in 2026. Quick, no buzz, to see which one is the best. You can try both free as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic. New here, subscribe for more videos just like this one. Click on AI repair. We have pro and basic two options available. Go into basic. 80 plus videos available in my video enhancer playlist. Wink app multiple times reviewed on my YouTube channel in the past, and this app provide 3 enhancements every 24 hours almost 2 or 3 years ago, and now reduced to one these days. In the basic, we have various tools available such as model resolution, stabilization, denoise, color, and the night. Top three my options is the resolution, model, and the denoise. Choose the portrait if face exists. If not, then go with the Ultra HD for resolution and turn on denoise. Next tab, AirVid. This is also various time reviewed on my YouTube channel in the past years. Basically, reason behind comparing these two to see which one is the best free option as for now, because both offer free enhancement at least these days. So we have various hair tools available in air repair of AirVid as well. Just stabilization is not here. Other than that, all tools here like the wing, but the quality is slightly different. We are going to witness very soon in the comparison part of this video. This will take some time for processing, so be patient here. Sometimes it's stuck on processing. You can try later 1 or 2 days or after few hours and automatically fix. Click on compare to see the comparison by slider. Wing slightly performs better, I think so, in this comparison. Also only appear to be provide only one enhancement. Overall very sharp, detailed. Both remove the noise, grain as well. Overall video looks really sharp, but it's not really close to natural what is Topaz provide and the Tova AI. Make sure to check out my video enhancer playlist, 90 plus videos available. This is the video for today. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.